This has to be absolutely shocking. I'm just absolutely stunned at this latest development of this small Michigan town. What this small town in Michigan just did. Because it was like a little town in Green Township, Michigan. Of course, I just had to fit this little article from the Gateway Pundit there on one page there, which I just like to kind of read. Oh, it's a little shaky here. This town just like ousted its entire government and changes the locks of the town hall over its support of this country that shall not be named owned battery plant. The thing is pretty interesting. So let me get some light there so you can see my face there much better. Little flash there. While Tuesday's election results were an epic catastrophe over this GOP, a little piece of rural Michigan town, showed there's still hope for humanity. Of course, the Blaze reported this Wednesday. Of course, it's on that Gateway Pundit as well. That Green Charter Township, a town with roughly 3,200 people located in central Michigan, voted out their entire township board. After the government just ignored their concerns over a battery plant that was proposed, and kind of the dirty deal with a company named Gotion Incorporated. Then they put a little icing on the cake afterward when they changed the township locks just hours after the vote. Of course, Gordon is a corporation which makes batteries for electric vehicles. While the vote there, which is a company is headquartered in Silicon Valley, its parent company is located in the People's Republic of the country that shall not be named, and has ties to the CCP. Of course, as the Blaze notes, that all 7 members cut a $2 billion deal with this company back in December 2020. And allegedly over the prospect of jobs, but ordinary people caught a wind over this potential communist infiltration and horrific impacts the massive plant that would have done to the environment. Of course, back in April, residents angrily confronted the thing for selling them out to our greatest foreign adversary. Because like a News Nation uncovered documents proving that the residents had every right to be alarmed. But these require like Gordon to set up a party organization and carry out party activities in accordance with the Constitution of the Communist Party of China and ensure necessary conditions for carrying out party activities. Moreover, the plant posed a severe threat to endangered species and drinking water. Of course, like the Economical Development and Responsibility Alliance of Michigan points out the plant was slated to be built on top of what currently is a pristine wetlands site. And it hosts many rare species, including blue heron, bald eagles, several species of bats, which helps to regulate the local aquifers and runs through a creek less than a half mile long into the Muskegon River, a prominent lakeway waterway. Of course, like the Gateway Pundit previously reported that Gotion even tried to seize 260 acres of farmland in the town, but they backed off thanks to the efforts of a brave single mother, Lori Brock, who owns approximately 150 acres, where she raises a variety of animals. Now, next door to several pieces of property purchased with Michigan taxpayer dollars, where a battery plant would be located. Now, that Green Charter residents next decided only November recall of the entire board could stop this treason, and were able to gather enough signatures over the course of several months to do so. The board otherwise would have been secure until November 2024, and the plant may have been in place by that time. Of course, two board members, James Peake and Gary Todd, decided to resign rather than face the voters' wrath. Then on Tuesday, more like than 1,000 Green Charter residents stormed to the polls to cast out their vote cast their vote ousting the other 5 sellouts. Trustees Dale Genstart and Roger Carroll, Clerk Janet Clark, Treasurer Denise McFarlane, and Supervisor James Chapman. Of course, this is read on a link in the description in the video. Of course, the thing is working on investigating some alleged comments on what's been brewing in the United States with the Africanized killer bees, which I don't know if I could be doing that report anytime soon, but it's gonna be taking a while. Plus, there's issues with the AI, artificial intelligence, and the threat of jobs regarding Americans and the working class. Because I could be putting out truck drivers out of job, along with train engineers, airplane lot pilots, and delivery drivers, even waitresses and cooks and regular industry, and entire factories workers. Or since the day will come where all this will be operated by artificial intelligence, and some of it could become sentient. And I discussed this with a Uber driver several weeks back there regarding this topic there. But my name is William Drossi, reminding you to shake the money tree, share the screen far and wide, and don't forget the subscribe button there.